on, let's track some of the mutual fund activities that have happened in the month of April. Where have mutual funds actually added some bit of an exposure? What are the fund managers buying and selling in the month of April? What did they do? Sneha is joining in with us with all those details.
Take a look at all the mutual fund activity in the month of April. Now, mutual funds have deployed 18,900 crores rupees in the Indian markets compared to 22,600 that we did see coming in March. So, a slight bit of a drop on that front. They've added exposure in financials, metals and telecom on a consensus basis. And even when you compare this with the previous month, financials continue to be an add for mutual funds all across. They've reduced exposure in IT, healthcare and oil and gas. And even compared to March, IT continues to be on the reduced side. Cash level was at 4.2% of AUM in April versus 4.4% of AUM in March 2024. Now let's get a little stock specific and see what they have added and removed from their portfolio when it comes to the large cap pack. On the buy side, you have names like PNB, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Zomato, Power Grid as well as Axis Bank, and on the sell side you have names like Jio Financial, SBI, BEL, Tata Steel as well as ITC. What we have noted an interesting move over here is that BEL has moved from the sell side to the buy side over the course of just 1 month. In March it was towards the sell side and now towards the buy side, and now it has come towards the sell side. Now, in terms of mid-cap, the list of mid-cap stocks that they have bought and sold, on the buy side you have Suzlon, SAIL, GMR Airports, Ashok Leyland as well as NMDC, and on the sell side you have Vodafone Idea, NHPC, Federal Bank, IDFC First as well as Exide. Interesting to note is that Suzlon and SAIL continue to remain on the buy side. Ashok Leyland now this time has moved from the sell side in March to the buy side in April, and Vodafone, NHPC and Federal Bank continue to remain on the sell side for these mutual funds. Lastly, let's also take a look at the small cap portfolio then, and on the buy side you have the likes of Sterlite Tech, SBFC Finance, NACL, City Union Bank as well as IEX, and on the sell side you have TV18 Broadcast, IRB Infra, NMDC Steel, Marksans Pharma as well as Aster DM. So well, that's a snapshot of largely all the mutual fund activity that we've seen in the month of April.
Hey, we'll leave it at that. And as we wind down on this edition of the Market and First Trades, let's hear out a slice of the recent most episode of ET Now on the Go, wherein we had a conversation with Abhijit Roy from Berger Paints. He shared with us his insights on the company's growth drivers, recent product launches, and much more.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.